I don't do it myself. I have people for that. I'm the boss. Check it, check it. I had my car washed yesterday. I didn't wash, I decided to pay. I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow at noon. I'm having my house painted very soon. I don't cook, I have my meals prepared. Living the life I've never been scared. Have something done, get something done. I don't do the work, I just had a fun. Subject, have object, participle. Following the boss's principle. She had her nails done, they look so bright. He got his computer fixed last night. Did you paint the wall? No, I had it painted. The fumes were so strong I nearly fainted. Where can I get my watch repaired? Look at the way that everyone stared. We need to have the roof fixed fast. This luxury life is built to last. Have something done, get something done. I don't do the work, I just had the fun. Subject, have object, participle. Following the boss's principle. She had her nails done, they look so bright. He got his computer fixed last night. Have is formal, get is informal. I had my eyes tested, everything normal. I got my phone stolen, bad luck too. It works for accident, yes it's true. I'm gonna have this song mixed. I'm gonna get the video fixed. I'm the boss. Have it done.